ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 3 Thursday. How are you guys doing? I'm sorry I couldn't be there in person. My two older boys at school was closed down this week for COVID. And so between myself and my husband, we're kind of rotating around to make sure that we get coverage for them. So I will be there for Friday. So I'm sorry that I wasn't able to be there for today. So with that said, go ahead and pause the video and answer the following questions for your warm-up. Okay, let's go ahead and create the assignment for this class for today. Keep in mind that this is your grade. It's updated since week 3. So week 1, week 2 stuff is in there. Overall, your class grade is a 67.5%. So if you feel like you need to go ahead and change and modify your grade, I will highly suggest that you go back to week 1 Monday and all the other days that you have not viewed the assignment and make sure you upload your assignment. That's the one way for you to raise your grade. Okay, so today it is week 3 Thursday. It's for ProbStats semester 2, and your topic today is you're going to have your assessment number 4, and it's going to be on null and alternative hypothesis. If you're like, I have no idea what this is, you might want to watch the video of week 3 Wednesday so that you have a better understanding of what is expected for you to do. All right, so your assignment today with instruction is for week 3, Thursday. And make sure you guys are viewing the assignment and then also uploading the assignment to get your grade. There are 2 links that you need. One is the YouTube channel for this class. The other one is going to be for the Google Doc to access your textbook work. 10 points. And of course, it is due tomorrow by 3 p.m. And we'll just go ahead and assign that. Your assessment today is actually not very long at all. It's fairly short overall. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just simply paste it over here so that way you guys have access to it. So your question here for your quiz is right here. If you click on it, 3 questions, and then there are parts assigned to it. I'm going to make sure I do the same for 6 periods ProbStats so that way you guys have it. Or actually, maybe I already put it there. Let's put it back in 5th period. So let's go back over here. Okay, it's not, let's see. There we go. Okay, so perfect. Let's go back to the lesson for today, and I will go over your homework in addition to going over the questions for today's quiz. So you guys had your textbook work from yesterday for Wednesday. It was for number 25 and number 27. So for number 25, this is your answer. You are identifying the null hypothesis, which is battery life is not more than 6 hours. The alternative hypothesis is opposite of that. So the battery life is more than 6 hours. So 2 points for that. Number 27, the null hypothesis is standard deviation is more than $350. And the null hypothesis has standard deviation is no more than $350. So 2 points for that. All right, we went over objective number 1 yesterday. Here are the answers for that in class. It was fairly simple. You were just identifying the null hypothesis and also the alternative hypothesis. And of course, your objective number 2, you're just rewriting the symbols, except when you're doing that, you're going to do the complement, which is the opposite. Remember, your null hypothesis always have an equal sign. Your alternative does not have an equal sign. It's always not. So today, this is the breakdown of what we're going to be talking about in class. It is our second day into writing null and alternative hypothesis. Your homework tonight is for week 3 Thursday. You are to work on number 26 to 30 evens. All right, let's go ahead and get started with today's stuff then. So this is your quiz. It's fairly simple. For number 1, it is all fill in the blank. It's not multiple choice. The mean age of a bus driver in Chicago is 50.9 years of age. Write the null and alternative hypothesis. So tell me what the null hypothesis is, and then tell me what is the alternative hypothesis. Number 2, the mean score for all NBA games during a particular season was less than 109 points per game. So then tell me what the null hypothesis is, tell me the alternative, and then lastly, tell me what is the claim. Number 3 is you are writing a user guide on null versus alternative hypothesis. I want you to use 8 steps or more explaining the process of determining why it's a null hypothesis versus an alternative hypothesis, like what are the differences and how do you tell them apart? In addition, how do you determine which one is going to be the claim? So give me 8 or more steps. So this is your quiz for this assignment. Other than that, that's basically it. We will continue on with this later on on Friday. So your exit ticket today is simply this. Today my learning stopped because today I considered a question, new idea, or new perspective. Explain what that is. And today I understood and learned blank. So make sure you fill that out for your exit ticket. All right, you guys, as always, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.